Okay, I just came in to get these guys. Put them in the young bird section. Look at that. 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, from right there. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. This is James. Young birds are out. Got Watson here, the Border Collie. He is 6 months now, and he's doing a good job trying to herd these young birds. Doing his job here. Anyways, that one's still pretty hesitant to join the others. But the rest are up about somewhere. Not sure where. Let them out about 5 minutes ago. Robertson Family Racing Pigeons. This is James. Hope this finds everyone well. Here's the first round, along with my straggling 2020 young birds. Watson in the background. It is extremely windy here today. Anyways, I'm giving these guys a bath out in this little cage. Also helps Watson to get used to them. Have him on his tether. He wants to herd them. But having them out of there also gives me an opportunity to let this second round come eat on their own. And I am loving this second round. They are awesome. They feel fantastic. There's a couple. The two youngsters off Athena and Lone Star especially turned out phenomenal. Okay, hopefully that will give them some time to eat, pick up some of those seeds. And I gotta feed these breeders here. All right, here are the breeders finishing up, eating. And show what we got going on here. Up in this nest, this is Blackie. Got some youngsters, a couple days old, right under there. Over here we got Kronos. Big bad mean Kronos. He is sitting on some eggs. He's fostering their eggs from Fauci and Marie Curie. Then over here, we got the next round of youngsters from Black Widow and Cup of Joe. I looked at them, hard to say what they're gonna be, but the larger one has a couple white flights in there. Then we'll get another spread, that'd be fun. I always like those spreads. Then over here, we've got two youngsters from Lavender, it's right here, and I'm thinking one of these is gonna go to the grain belt race. Then, over here, those two youngsters, underneath Big Boy here, are from Fauci and Marie Curie. Wish that those had been older, because otherwise those would go to the grain belt race. These two are out of Athena, who's sitting right there. Beautiful, beautiful hen. Probably both of those will go to the Omaha race. And I should have some youngsters available. Maybe some of these youngsters, they're just hatching. Yeah, so let me know if you're interested. Some of you already have. And I have not forgotten about that. quick look at these guys. Lone Star, quite possibly my favorite cock. It's hard to have favorites. There are different qualities about each one that I like. Hard to say. These two, Fauci and Marie Curie, should be going down on eggs again soon. And this round I'll let them just raise themselves, probably. Right, let's see how these guys did. All right, as we might expect, a lot of the bigger seeds are still kind of left for now. But there they are, good looking little bunch. Right, here is a closer look at this second round. Like I said, really happy with the quality of this round. And I think there's some great birds here. It's a great bunch. Really, really nice birds. A few of them, when I picked them up, I was just like, wow, that is impressive. Pretty chill, which is fantastic. Good birds. Fantastic. Hope everyone's doing well and being safe. Watson says goodbye, right, Watson? He says, I want to play soccer. Watson's favorite game is soccer. He uses his herding instinct. See how he crouches down like that? Oh yes, he's ready. Wait, let me take this off. Okay, Watson, ready? There he is, ready to go. Good dog, Watson. All right. Not sure how many, if any, of these guys actually took a bath. Let's go look at the water, that will tell us. Oh, there's hardly any bloom on top of that water. So chances are, maybe only one or two actually got in there. We'll give them some more time out here. It's good for them. They're getting used to each other. Good dog, Watson. All right. As always, thanks for your support, and we will update you again soon. Adios.